Yellow. Yellow. A boom, boom, boom. Put these keys in real quick. Hello, tall black man. What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be running a few errands. I agreed to change some watch batteries, and I also agreed to dog sit someone's dog for a week. Whoa, 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 whoa. Make sure their food is good, make sure the water is good. It's a nice day outside. Oh, what's up, dog? My helmet's not all the way on. Whoa. I could put my motorcycle jacket on. I just choose not to wear it right now because I'm just going to Walmart, but you know, safety is always good. That's like your number one safety thing besides a helmet. Goes helmet and then jacket and then legs and then, or I'd say feet and then legs in my opinion. Actually, knuckles, feet, then legs, because your hands are pretty important. Your hands, then your ankles, and then your legs. Damn, he's never been in a roundabout before. He was sitting there like an NPC. Oh, the sun! Oh, I love blipping the throttle. If you don't know how to blip the throttle, it's the most satisfying thing you can learn. When I was a beginner, I was like, fuck it, I don't know how to downshift, but I'm gonna learn how to blip the throttle. And it was very scary. What? The cars are so confusing today. I have no clue what's happening. I've gotten so good at it, man. I've gotten so good at it. I'm so happy. Oh, I love blipping. You just hear meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Oh, neutral. Let's see here. Okay. It's time to go inside. I guess I'll be back in a minute. Is this thing recording? Maybe I can tell by like the reflection if the light is going off. I can't tell. We'll find out, I guess. Alright. So, wait. Stop that tank for audio sync. But I learned that you should not go to Walmart to get your watch battery changed because there's nobody there.